More power? Check. Transmission? Check. Now it's time for the rear end.
Yes. And look, I gotta be honest, these old 8.6s come with this gov lock, referred to most commonly as Timex posi, because it's just a matter of time before they blow up. Anybody that's gone wheeling, all right, they're cute, right? It's got some nice little parts, right? But these things, either the case breaks or all these internals just go poof, out on the trail, man.
So we're gonna do some major upgrades. Yukon gear and axle, these guys are awesome. They have everything from gears to axles, differentials, heavy duty covers. So what we're gonna do today is the differential, because as he said, time bomb waiting to happen.
Yes.
So this is their Duragrip. Now it's pretty awesome. It's got pretty heavy duty chromoly 4320 gears in it. It's fully rebuildable. It's got a 4-spring setup with robustus clutches that you can, again, if you need to do the rebuilding, but it's gonna have a smooth but aggressive traction.
Yeah, man, that is grade A stuff. Anytime I'm out on a trail, especially like things like the diff cover, right? Because I do a lot of rock crawling and so forth. Like, man, I'm telling you, one of the most common mistakes people make is, right, you see how thick this is? They still have that thin one from the factory, or that chrome one, and they'll slide it over a rock and just pull it back, and they're hammering on it and
It's
so
like
forth.
Superman being hungry and opening a tuna can.
Yeah, right? Yeah, man, so a big, beefy diff cover always helps. I mean, look how thick it is. Nodular steel. Obviously, you know, Yukon's known for their ring and pinions, so really quality, high string stuff here as well.
Yeah, so we're gonna skip the gears because we're making a ton more power. But if you're off-roading, if you're going with bigger tires, if you need that extra torque, definitely gear it up. But let's go ahead and swap these over onto the new diff, get her in there, and definitely we're gonna cover it up with the nodular cover.
Yeah, man. Not only does, you know, give you a lot of protection on the rim, it protects the posis as well and the ring and pinion, which is always smart to have. So let's get it buttoned up and get her in.